Hello and welcome to this course series where we will be discussing the fundamentals of machine learning and deep learning, and also we will look at some of the Python that is required to build practical models on these concepts. Okay. Before I start or before I deep dive, I just want to make an introductory video so as to explain why I'm making these videos and who is this course beneficial for. I think anyone who is just looking for introduction to machine learning or deep learning, so who they can definitely study from this course. And basically this is not a course, I am not a teacher, okay, I am not a qualified teacher. I am just take me as a senior or take me as your friend who is just teaching you one night before the exams. Okay, so take this as that. And I don't think any college will be requiring more than this entire topics, because colleges will be teaching the basics, right? So this covers the basics, so I don't think any college student will need more than this. One thing that is important is that this course may not have as many numericals as they are required in colleges, okay, because colleges focus on questions and numericals and everything, whereas the corporate focus on that you grab the concepts and you are good in coding and everything. Okay, so this may not have as many numericals, but I can assure you that you will have a better grab on the concepts. And I understand that once you have a grab on the concepts, then you can do numericals very easily. One more thing I want to add, that do not expect that you will become a master just by studying the fundamentals. Okay, if you really want to be a master, then you have to take a very long route. Okay, you have to practice Python, because most of the libraries are written in Python and everything. So first thing, you need to master Python, and that is not going to happen in 1 day, 2 day, 1 week. Okay, it is going to take months. Okay, you need to practice coding. Another thing, I think you should also practice, you should also master data structures and algorithms, because it does give a very good understanding of the coding environment. I mean, if you understand data structures, then coding becomes very friendly to you. So just don't expect to become a master, but yeah, if you are studying for the exams or just to grab the concept, just to understand the basics of the concept, then this course is going to be beneficial. Okay, so now we'll start with the videos.